Hello, welcome back. You may have noticed that our background is a little different for today. I decided, well, why not let's go shopping together, right? I need to go to Dollar Tree, check out what they got new in there, get some organizational stuff for my house. I cannot stand clutter, so I'm going to see what they have in terms of that, and then we've got to run over to Walmart and grab a couple of things. A birthday present for my niece, and you know, some boring stuff like creamer. But yeah, and I like to check the clearance and see what they've got going on for clearance. I've seen a lot of baby stuff on clearance lately. One thing you will come to learn about me is that I don't like to pay full price for anything. If it's not on sale, I more than likely don't want anything to do with it. There are very few things that I will pay full price for. So yeah, let's go shopping. So I see a lot of baskets for organization in the kitchen section. They have some really cute kitchen towels. Let me get that one. Lots more baskets and bins that could be used for organization. Hi. Kitsy bear. There he is. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? They have a lot of options if you're looking for stuff to get organized with. These baskets are also good for making gift baskets for birthdays and Christmas. I love using these baskets to pack a lot of cute little things in and wrap them up for a friend or family member. Couple baskets for under the kitchen cabinet. I really like these Coca-Cola cups. I thought they were so cute. I just didn't get them because the lip is kind of weird and I could see myself spilling stuff all over myself with those cups. Now we're in the crafting section and there's lots of different like decorative rocks. We get these river rocks. I put them back, but then I picked them back up again. I love these vases. These are so pretty. I think I might go back and get one. What's that? Grabbing a couple of the styrofoam blocks. They have a couple of different options. The frames are right across from the crafting stuff and they have a lot of options, and I actually need an 8x10 frame. There's this really cute mermaid tail and I really like it. I just didn't know what I would do with it, so that's the only reason why I didn't get it. But it's super cute. Now we're at Walmart and I'm checking out the baby clearance, but Atticus is really mad and he's really not having it. He screams through most of Walmart. We've got those cloth bins for $5, some Parents' Choice formula for $4.50, a couple $4.50 bottles, the Tommy Pippies. What you got? What is that? This is pretty cleared out. These are all on clearance. Let's see. I need some 9 to 12 month stuff for my big boy with short sleeves. Because it's okay. We don't have hardly any summer stuff, and he's a size ahead of where he's supposed to be. All of the baby stuff is on clearance, which is awesome. That was clearly a failed trip. He's still crying. He would not let me put him down. He was just not having any of this today. I did get a few good deals, but I definitely didn't get to shop clearance deals like I wanted to. I've seen a lot of really good deals going on Facebook. There's a lot of Facebook groups dedicated to Walmart clearance and hidden clearance in particular. If you haven't heard of Super Unsexy and Kathleen, you should check them out. They are always finding great deals in Walmart and showing you what's on hidden clearance. Now, it's not the same for every Walmart, but you can definitely still find some good deals. Sometimes they live in the Houston area too, so a lot of their clearance shopping they do in the Walmarts down like around where my mom lives actually, but I still try to look up here. I'm in North Texas to try to see what I can find, and sometimes I find some of the same stuff, sometimes I don't. Price varies by Walmart definitely. They found a lot of really good deals on toys, and here at my Walmart they were a lot more on clearance than they were at the Walmarts that Kathleen and Super Unsexy were going to, if that makes any sense. But like I said, I love to shop clearance. I don't like paying regular price for anything, and I feel like I'm winning when I find something on sale. Like I do penny shopping, and I like to do clearance shopping, and for the most part little one is cooperative and lets mommy go shopping, but he was not having any of it today. So now we're on the way to pick up Big Brother, and then when I get home I will show you what we were able to get before we absolutely finally had to leave the store. Alright, so that shopping trip was a disaster. So what we did get was, this is our Dollar Tree haul. We got Valentine's card, some floral green styrofoam for some crafts I'm going to be doing pretty soon, Valentine's chocolates for the big brother, Valentine chocolates for the dad, some river rocks for my future craft that has to do with the floral styrofoam. Then I got this cute little towel, every day is a fresh start, super cute. And of course Fabuloso, because this is the best kitchen cleaning stuff ever, or should I say
this is the best mopping stuff ever.
And then we also got I got an 8x10 frame to put a picture of me and Atticus in that I just got printed at Walgreens. We got 2 baskets for my bathroom cabinets to get them organized, and 2 baskets for underneath my kitchen cabinets to get those organized. And then also to go with my crafts, I got these two of these globe looking vases. Don't mind my nails, we had a casualty at Walmart. I'm gonna make like some planter looking things with some fake plants, because Lord knows I can't keep real plants alive to save my life. And I'm gonna put them on my bathroom shelves to decorate them. Let me know if y'all want a video of how I do my DIY decorations. And then this is our Walmart trip. All of the baby stuff was on clearance, so I got baby stuff for a good deal. Bibs, I got 3 bibs. I think these were $3 for these bibs. Let's see. My receipts in my pocket. See, the bibs were actually $4 for the bibs. No, these were $4. These were $3. So I got more bibs. My sister-in-law's having a little boy in April, and we're going to her baby shower Saturday. So I got her these cute little bibs to throw on with her bear onesies that I got for her baby. And then, like I said, Kissy Bear needed some 9 to 12 month clothes because I don't think I have a lot of 9 to 12 month stuff from what I saw, and he's gonna need summer clothes. So these packs were between $3.50 and $4 for 3 onesies. So we got these 3 here, and then I got him this one that says cute, adorable, charming. Has a little star onesie and a little white one with gray triangles. And these were $3.50 a piece, each one of those. And then you got these Welcome to My World. And then giraffes and elephants and little like raindrop polka dot thingies. And he needed some more socks because he outgrew all of his socks. These were also on clearance for $2. I got some hangers because I need more hangers. These are less than $2 for an 18 pack at Walmart. Then I got some flowers. We put flowers in a vase for our puppy dog that we lost back in December. We have a little headstone for her in our yard. I feel like it's therapeutic for my son to put flowers there. He seems to like it. He asked me to get her some more flowers, so hopefully it helps him. And then we got my niece's birthday was, my youngest niece, her birthday was in the beginning of February. So I got her some of these mystery Barbie accessories for 94 cents each. A pack of shoes, I think these were $2. 2 outfits for $7. And then I got Damon's class Star Wars sticker Valentines. And for him, I also got him 2 of these mystery minifigures. We love opening these together. So that is our little haul, our failed go shopping with me trip. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of deals that you found or that you have been finding recently down in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. I love having y'all here, and I appreciate you. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.